Hey guys, it's Melanie. Sorry if this is a weird setup or if it's noisy or anything. If you've been keeping up with my channel, I just moved into a new apartment, so things are changing a lot. My room's changing a lot. Kind of a mess right now, but since moving here, I have been trying out a lot of new things with my fashion sense, and I haven't posted an outfit video in quite some time. So today I'm super excited to bring you guys along with me and show you guys what I wear in a week here. It was I don't know if it was my first full week here. Maybe it was actually, I don't know. Honestly, the days are flying by. These are just the outfits I wore and I'm so excited to be dressing nicer. So this is what I wore this week. If you guys want to see more outfit videos or outfit inspiration, make sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to this channel. Let me know what other outfit videos you want to see, and without further ado, let's get into what I wore this week.
Alright guys, so starting off with Monday, this day we filmed, so I wanted to look a little cute, especially on my top half. This is actually a top that I bought a super long time ago, and I kind of thought I would wear it in LA or something if that ever seemed to happen, and luckily it did, so it worked out very well. This top is from Garage. I really like it. It's a very see-through material, but I just wore a sticky bra underneath and it seemed to work out well. It's definitely a much more girly outfit, and it was super hot this week, so the very light material of the top came in handy. These puffy paper bag shorts were from Princess Polly. They're some of my favorites because they're super comfy and have a very stretchy elastic waistband, which I love. I wore this gold bracelet that I think was from Forever 21 or something like that. This is an up close of the top. As you can see, it's pretty see-through, almost like a very thin mesh in this really light lavendery pink shade. And then I'm wearing this nice initial necklace. I believe it's from Dixie Grace. In my hair, I have these two pearl clips, which I thought added a cute girly little touch. I'm also wearing some white Birkenstocks, which you can't really see because unfortunately I did not get them in the frame. Overall, this was the complete look for Monday's outfit. I also totally left the tag on the top and did not notice, so I hope that wasn't there the whole day. On to Tuesday's outfit. This day was honestly a lazy day in disguise. As I said, it was super hot out, so I knew I wanted something as light as possible. If you guys saw in my haul, we picked up these super cute dresses and different pieces from the store after we went shopping at Melrose, and this was one of them, and it was one of my favorites. All their pieces are handmade, and this is just a super cute little slip dress. I love the pastel plaid color because it's perfect for spring or summer. I call this a lazy day in disguise because I was honestly at a loss for what to wear, but all I had to do was slip on one tiny piece and I looked very put together, if I do say so myself. I accessorized with this white scrunchie that I used to tie my hair up. I wore some white pearls to go with kind of a schoolish girl theme. I was wearing some white Birkenstocks, and my star necklace was from Brandy and my little ring was from Pandora. All in all, this was the outfit for Tuesday. Super easy, but very cute. Now on to Wednesday's outfit. I will say that this outfit did give me some sort of TikTok vibes. If you guys saw one of my recent videos, it was a little transformation California LA girl video. You definitely saw this outfit. I also posted a lot on Instagram because I was a huge fan of it. This was definitely one of my favorites just because it's a little bit out of my comfort zone. It was super hot out, as you can see by my lack of clothing, I suppose. These shorts were from the same little boutique at Melrose. This top is Orange the Label. I actually borrowed it from Vanessa. And then for my accessories, I have these kind of cat glasses that I got from Windsor and this fat chain that I got from Brandy. For my shoes, I'm just wearing some high top Chuck Taylors. And that is pretty much it for this completed look. Now on to Thursday. I believe this day I just did some window shopping and hung out around a beach, so it was super chill and I just wanted something to kind of go with that vibe. So I started the outfit off with this top that I actually made in my DIY Brandy video. It's a off the shoulder, one shoulder kind of top that was actually really easy to make. these high-rise light wash pretty distressed shorts. I just thrifted. They're from American Eagle, I believe, but I had to take them in a lot. And then for accessories, I'm wearing this gold detailed bracelet along with these two gold layered necklaces. One is from Princess Polly and the other one is from Dixie by Grace. And my butterfly gold earrings, which I'm absolutely obsessed with, are from Layered by Low. To complete off the outfit, I'm just wearing this white and gold belt that I actually thrifted. And then for my shoes, I'm just wearing my classic Air Force Ones, and that is pretty much it for today's outfit. And now on to my final outfit for this outfit of the week. This is also one of my favorites. It's very, very simple, but I just think it's so cute and kind of girly, kind of preppy, I guess. Not gonna lie, I am not usually one to wear skirts a whole lot, but the heat has definitely gotten to me here and I've been whipping them out a lot more. But I am not gonna complain because it has totally upped my style game and it makes almost anything look way cuter and like you put in a lot more effort. To start off, I'm just wearing this basic crop top that I got from the Wild Fable brand at Target. It's one of my favorite fits. It's just super comfy, stretchy, cute, goes with everything. And then my skirt is just this little mini skirt that I got from Princess Polly. I think the print of it is so adorable. It looks like little daisies, but they're like black and white on this very, very light blue shade. For my accessories, I'm wearing my Tiffany necklace, these little heart earrings to match that are from Brandy, also these random tiny silver rings, which I showed you for literally 0.2 seconds. For my shoes, I'm just wearing my Nike Air Force Ones again. And also, I don't know if you noticed, but don't mind the fact that my hair literally changed and my nails changed mid-video. But you probably already knew about that if you saw my other video. But yeah, that's my outfit for Friday.
Alright guys, so those were all of my outfits for this week. Make sure to let me know which one was your favorite down below and leave requests for other outfit inspiration videos, or if you want to see just more of what I wear in a week, make sure to let me know there. Be sure to follow me on my other socials just to stay in touch, and if you want to see fashion inspo, room inspo, literally anything. Yeah, other than that, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys. I know it's getting late now, baby.